Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 25th, 2024, and we're diving into Aptar's recently released third quarter earnings report. Aptar is a global leader in drug and consumer product dosing, dispensing, and protection technologies. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Aptar's performance this quarter. They've shown some interesting trends and strategic moves that are worth exploring.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Aptar reported net revenue of $909 million for the third quarter of 2024, which is a 2% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was modest but steady, driven by strong demand in their pharma and closures segments. The net income saw a significant increase of 19% to $100 million, which is quite impressive. This was supported by a 17% rise in earnings per share to $1.48. The adjusted EBITDA margin also improved to 23%, indicating strong operational efficiency.
That's interesting. What factors contributed to this profitability?
The margin expansion was largely due to increased demand for their proprietary drug delivery systems and closure technologies, particularly in the food sector. Additionally, Aptar's focus on operational efficiencies and cost management played a crucial role in enhancing profitability.
Segment performance analysis. Let's delve into the segment performance. The pharma segment reported an 8% sales growth. What drove this performance, John?
The pharma segment's growth was primarily driven by continued demand for their drug delivery systems, which saw double-digit growth. This was further supported by increased sales in allergy, emergency medicine, and central nervous system therapeutics. The segment's margins reached 36%, which is at the top end of their long-term range.
On the other hand, the beauty segment saw a 7% decline in sales. What challenges are they facing?
The beauty segment struggled with tough comparisons from the previous year, particularly in tooling and fragrance dispensing solutions. While there was growth in personal and home care markets, it wasn't enough to offset the decline. The Chinese beauty market's softness also contributed to the downturn.
And how did the closures segment perform?
The closures segment had a solid quarter with a 3% increase in sales, driven by demand in the food market. They managed to improve their margins by nearly 200 basis points, thanks to better plant utilization and cost containment efforts.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Moving on to strategic initiatives, Aptar recently completed a joint venture in China. How does this impact their future growth?
This joint venture strengthens Aptar's footprint in dispensing technology, particularly in the Asian markets. It positions them well to capture growth opportunities in this region, which is crucial for their long-term strategy.
Looking ahead, what is Aptar's outlook for the fourth quarter and beyond?
Aptar anticipates a solid finish to the year, with fourth quarter EPS expected to be between $1.22 and $1.30. They are on track for double-digit EPS growth for the full year. The pharma segment is expected to continue its strong performance, while the closures segment is also projected to finish the year robustly. However, the beauty segment may face ongoing challenges due to macroeconomic factors.
And what about their capital allocation strategy?
Aptar's board has authorized a $500 million share repurchase program, which reflects their confidence in the company's future prospects. They also declared a quarterly cash dividend of 45 cents per share, maintaining their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Aptar has delivered a strong third quarter with notable growth in net income and robust performance in the pharma and closure segments. Their strategic initiatives, including the joint venture in China, position them well for future growth. The share repurchase program and dividend declaration further underscore their solid financial health.
Indeed, Aptar's focus on innovation and operational efficiency continues to drive their success. While challenges remain in the beauty segment, their overall outlook remains positive, with strong guidance for the fourth quarter.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Aptar's performance, so feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.